A Mandarin-speaking man is currently undergoing questioning by the inspector at the police station. The man was arrested on suspicion of murder.
The dialogue begins now.
You are being detained on suspicion of involvement in a murder. Is this clear to you?
是的，我明白，但是你们抓错人了。
You'll be provided with the chance to share your perspective during this interview. To begin, could you clarify your relationship with the deceased?
根本没有关系啊，我不认识你们所说的那个被杀的人。
I want to emphasize that we possess a witness who observed you conversing with the deceased individual on the day of his murder at a liquor store. How do you respond to this information?
那肯定是他们说谎，我对这个男的一无所知，见都没见过。
I understand. Are you denying the fact that you were present at that establishment on Saturday, June 20th, 2018?
不确定，您说的是哪儿呢？
It's a compact liquor store called Oakwood Spirits on 14 Oakwood Avenue, Rivertown. It's between a deli and a thrift store, and across from Riverfront Park. Therefore, can you confirm or deny being present at that location between 6 and 8 p.m.?
我倒是记得那天晚上买了一些啤酒，但是在哪儿买的我就不大记得了。我老婆和我刚搬到这附近，我们当时在开派对，庆祝搬家的派对。
The witness we interviewed recognized you based on your facial birthmark and the skull tattoo located on your arm.
很多人都有这样的纹身啊，况且胎记很容易用化妆品弄出来的。
Allow me to direct your attention to exhibits A and B. The first rope is the rope we pulled from the crime scene. It was used to kill the victim. The second rope is the rope from your basement. Both ropes are beige and made from nylon.
我用这绳索去攀岩，每周末都去，这是我的个人爱好。肯定是什么人闯进我家偷了绳子，我怎么可能杀人呢？我走路都不踩蚂蚁的。
There are significant matters requiring clarification, particularly since we have linked you to the crime scene through your fingerprints. Is there anything else you wish to add?
在没有律师的情况下，我拒绝回答任何问题。
Understood. We will pause this interview until your lawyer can join us.
End of dialogue.